Welcome to today's episode, exploring the dynamic world of online income. The internet has transformed into a bustling marketplace, offering diverse opportunities, from freelancing to e-commerce and content creation. The emergence of cryptocurrencies has further reshaped the financial landscape. Remote work has blurred geographical boundaries, creating new possibilities. However, staying updated with the evolving digital landscape is crucial. Let's delve into real-life cases that showcase the transformative power of the digital economy. Jane, a graphic designer, found global success through freelancing platforms, transcending geographical barriers. Mike's e-commerce journey highlights the boundless opportunities in the online marketplace. While the digital economy offers financial empowerment, it also presents challenges, such as market saturation and discussions about job security. It's essential to critically analyze the impact of the digital economy on individuals and society. The digital economy is not just about income, it shapes livelihoods and redefines work. It represents innovation, creativity, and entrepreneurial spirit, offering a gateway to financial independence and creative expression. The internet has revolutionized income generation, empowering individuals to embrace innovation and explore the endless possibilities of the digital world. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to more exciting explorations in the future. Stay inspired and keep exploring.